In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Inkscape. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it opens, either load an existing project you want to format, or create a fresh document if you're starting from scratch. The process is the same in both cases. Next, choose the text tool from the toolbar. The icon looks like a capital A. Instead of a single click, and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangular text box. This creates flowed text, which is important because justification aligns text to the left and right edges of a box. A single click would create a line of point text, which won't behave the same way. With the box in place, type your paragraph directly into it, or paste text you've copied from somewhere else. If you paste, make sure the cursor is blinking inside the box so the text lands in the frame. Keep the text tool active and leave your cursor inside the text. If you accidentally switch tools, just press T or double-click the text to re-enter editing mode. Now look to the very top of the screen at the Tool Controls bar. This sits just under the main menus and shows options for the selected tool, things like the font family, style, size, and spacing. Scan along that bar until you find the alignment icons. They're a small group of buttons with stacked horizontal lines. You'll see options for left, center, right, and the one we want, Justified. The Justified icon shows lines that are all the same length. Click that Justified button. Instantly, Inkscape will adjust the spacing between words so each line stretches from the left edge of the text box to the right edge, giving you that clean, column-like look you see in magazines and brochures. The last line of a paragraph typically stays left-aligned, which is expected. If the spacing looks too wide on some lines, try resizing the text box by dragging its handles. Justification responds to the box width, so a slightly wider or narrower frame often balances the lines nicely. You can also tweak font size or line spacing in the same Tool Controls bar to refine the appearance without changing the actual text. That's all you need to justify paragraphs in Inkscape. Create a flowed text box, enter your text, and apply the justified alignment from the Tool Controls bar. Adjust the box width for the best visual result, and your layout will look polished and professional.